In a digitally connected world obsessed with innovation, wouldn't you expect companies that support you and your business to have worked out the best way to work, rather than the way they have always done it? Here at Deeo, we decided there was a better way to bring amazing services and solutions to our clients, and created Europe's first virtual design and engineering consultancy. Our truly groundbreaking approach to the way design and engineering services and solutions are delivered across many different industry sectors. Deeo's team of innovative humans based across the UK harness our advanced technology to develop products and solutions for our forward-thinking clients. Working from any location, but all working together in our unique way, our connected team deliver the ultimate design partner experience, wherever and whenever you need us. Deeo, an innovation to design.